everyone, this is ryce.jiyoon and welcome back to my channel. Last time guys, I do an unboxing of the V8 sound card. So some of my friends were requesting me to vlog on how to use the V8 sound card. From the sound card going to your cell phone, and also from the sound card going to your laptop, and how to use it and how to also record voices or songs. So to start with, this is the V8 sound card. Okay, so we go now to the connections, right? So here we have live 1, live 2. All right, live 1, this is where you connect your computer, right? Live 2, okay, you can connect it with your phone. Okay, if you are going to use your phone or your computer, okay, so at the same time, so you can connect live 1 on your computer or live 2 on your cell phone. But if your main is your cell phone, you can connect it on your live 1, right? And then the third one is your accompany instrument. So accompany instrument, for example, you are going to record, okay, and your -1 is on your, let's say, your laptop. Okay, so you should connect your laptop here in the accompany instrument and your phone to record here on live 1. Okay, so this is the charging port. Here is your earphone speaker. This one is your headset. And then your condenser mic goes here, this one. Okay, and then dynamic mic here. So dynamic mic, those are the ones that we use when we are doing karaoke. All right, so that is where you put your dynamic mic if you have one. Okay, so let's try it.
Nature.
Hello. Hello. Do you believe love and love? Hello, kumusta po? Hello, kumusta, girl? And yes, hello. Hello? Hello, kumusta na kayong lahat? Hello? Hello? Hello, hello? Hello, kumusta? Hello? Okay. Let's try to dodge. So this is the dodge, and yes, welcome to our channel. Okay, let's give a big shout out to our hero members: Galvez, Boss RH channel, Mumsy Vany, Vany Roselove, Mi Amore Babes, and Sherlyy, Mart, and Rian's Heart. Okay, let's try to connect it first on our laptop. Okay, so I'm going to connect it on live 1, right? So let's connect. By the way guys, the V8 that I ordered comes with 3 cords. I just don't know where I put the other one. So let's connect it. Right, so there you go. It will go to my laptop. Okay, so the end, so I'm going to connect this on my laptop. So you connect on your laptop on the where you put the earphones. All right, so let's connect it on my laptop. Okay, usually when you connect something on your laptop like a mic or an audio, a screen will pop up saying the current connected device is, okay, line in, mic in, headphone, speaker out, or headset. So you should choose headset. All right, so let's choose headset. Okay, so I choose headset when you connect it to the laptop, right? And then our condenser mic is here. Okay, this is our condenser mic. So let's connect it here as well on our, where you can see the condenser mic. Okay, and then we should turn on the power. So you will just take a long press. There it is, it's already turned on. By the way guys, here in the earphones there is a headset and earphone speaker. So if you want it to connect with a speaker, so you connect it on the earphone speaker, and those earphones and headsets, you connect it on the headset. I am going to connect it with a speaker so that you can hear my voice, if it's working or not, and also the functions of the V8. Just give me a minute. I'm going to connect this on a speaker. Hey everyone, I am so happy to announce that the membership feature is already open on our channel. We have 3 kinds of membership. Each of them comes with privileges like loyalty badges next to your comment and live chat. We have also custom emojis on live chat and priority shout out for the members. For more details, just click the join button and see what kind of member you would like to be. Join us now! Okay, now that it is set up, let's try to sing a song. So easy to use, guys. In a cell phone, you can just plug it on the earphones, and yeah, it will automatically connect with the V8 sound card. That ends our tutorial in using the V8 sound card, and I hope you learned something.